Dell Precision 7875. Category 4.2 DA. Offerer, Dell. It has a 3-year Pro Support on-site warranty. This can be upgraded to 4 or 5 years. The system comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro. System dimensions. Height, 17.42 inches, width, 6.79 inches, and depth, 18.3 inches. On the front of the system, we have the power button, universal audio jack, 2 USB 3.2, Gen 1, and 2 USB 3.2, Gen 2, Type-C. There's also an SD card slot. On the back, we have the power inlet, 1 audio line out port, 2 RJ45 ports, 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1, and 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C ports. We also have a Kensington security cable slot and a padlock ring. The system has an NVIDIA RTX A1000 with 8 gigs of GDDR6 and 4 mini DisplayPort outputs on the back. This can be upgraded to an RTX 2000 or an RTX Pro 4000, 5000, or 6000. To open the system, loosen the screw, push the latch to release the side cover, and lift it out. The system comes with an AMD Ryzen Threadripper Pro 7975WX. It can be upgraded to an AMD Ryzen 7995WX. It has 128 gigs of DDR5, 5200 MHz. This can be upgraded to 256, 512, or 1 terabyte. For internal storage, it has a 512 gig M.2 NVMe SSD. This can be upgraded to a 1 or 2 terabyte M.2 NVMe SSD. It has an AMD PROM 21 chipset and a Trusted Platform Module version 2.0. Expansion slots. There are 4 M.2 slots for PCIe NVMe Gen 4 SSDs, 6 full-height PCIe slots, and 5 SATA ports for 2.5 and 3.5-inch hard drive or optical drive. It comes with an internal speaker connected to a Realtek ALC 3246 audio controller. Power is supplied by a 1350-watt Platinum PSU.